This video was taken on a rural countryside road during the summer. By the looks of it, it appears as if the footage was taken in a warm climate, possibly a desert. A car comes into the frame and then disappears. Take a look. Is this a real car teleportation caught on tape? Be sure to leave your thoughts in the comments below. Due to the fact that this video was framed so perfectly, many people have questioned its authenticity, saying it is a product of nothing but video editing. This next video was taken by a CCTV security camera, and it claims to show a car teleporting on a bridge. This teleportation is a bit different because we can actually see the same car reappearing after disappearing. Take a look. Today on Apex TV, we take a look at a never-before-seen teleportation that was recently caught on a CCTV security camera. And then later, we take a look at some other supposed teleportations that have been caught on tape. This security camera footage shows what appears to be an average scene from a park. Out of nowhere, a man supposedly teleports into the middle of the frame. No visible signs of editing can be seen. Due to the fact that the teleportation seems so perfect, many people think that it is nothing but a hoax. The validity of this alleged teleportation caught on tape is ultimately up for you to decide. This footage was sent to our email yesterday by a person who wishes to remain anonymous. The location in which the video itself was taken also remains anonymous. Do you think this is a genuine teleportation caught on tape? Please be sure to let us know what you think in the comments below. Unlike some of the other teleportation videos we have looked at, this one is a bit different. In most videos, an object or a person is seen disappearing. It is always wondered about where the people went. Did they travel to a new location on Earth, or are they in fact traveling through time? In this new security camera footage, the person is seen appearing out of nowhere. Instead of disappearing, the person is seen solidifying out of thin air. Now, after contrasting the difference between this new teleportation clip and some of the old videos we have looked at, let us point out some similarities. First of all, the figure that is seen appearing out of nowhere is wearing a hoodie. In many of the other teleportation videos we have investigated, the person was also wearing a hoodie. In fact, it may actually be the very same person. This is just based off of the fact that they are wearing very similar clothing. The locations, however, are completely different. Now let's take a closer look at the footage. As you can see here, when the person appears, he is airborne. In this slow motion version of the supposed teleportation, you can see that he actually falls a couple of inches to the ground. Then he turns around and begins to run. You are probably asking why the person begins running. An explanation could be that he didn't want anyone to see him teleporting and ran from the exact location in which he teleported to. Take a look at his shadow when he is teleporting. Just like the man himself, the shadow also appears out of nowhere. If you like paranormal and mysterious videos like this, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and leave a comment on this video saying I subscribed. We will personally reply to your comment. Also, remember to leave your thoughts on the video in the comments below because we read every single comment and we'll always try our best to reply to you guys.